Hello my dear friends, this is Bipasha from BK's Creative Corner and I'm so pleased to be here today sharing my new release from AALL Create. It's the 4-set release and the first set is number 621, which is called Filaments and Feathers. It's a very versatile stamp with beautiful bird and a lot of flowers and a bulb in it. You can see that the size ranges from 4" to 5", which can beautifully go in a card or a layout or even in an art journaling page. It has got wonderful details and some thread works and splatters, which are my signature style, and I just loved creating this design. You will also find some nice interesting sentiments if you read closely to the stems, and I always have the best of time designing and adding sentiments to these designs. The next one is the Petal Power. So it has got a nice cylinder tube design and also a lot of different bunch of flowers, and the size again varies in between 4" to 5". It can go for a card, or you can also bunch up different flowers together in a layered format to make a 3D project. I'm planning to make a 3D project sometime near in future, and you will get some inspiration out of it. Now the next design is 630, which is called Basic Sentiment. Now this stamp set is a very versatile design. It has got a collection of the mostly used sentiments that you will find great use in your everyday cards or journaling. And actually, when I was making my cards and my art journal pages, I always had trouble finding the right sentiment. Thank you sentiment, birthday sentiment, that's what actually led me to design this beautiful sentiment stamp, and I have added some grunge touches to it with splatters and thread work again. Now the last design and my very beloved design from this entire release is the Little Wren. The design is a nice size around 3.5", and it has got some splatters and some threads as well, and some scribblings, tales of a little wren. I hope you guys would enjoy designing with the stamps as much as I enjoyed creating them, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with, and do share with me when you create a creation or a project with this beautiful stamps. And now let's start designing with one of this. We'll start with a Little Wren.